want to be a bead star. I want to bead your life.
Hello, everybody. This is Faith Robin, the Sparkly Beater. Glad to be back after an exhausting week, but fun, at the Bead and Gem Show in our town. So here we have a package from Beada. This was recommended by one of the other ladies on YouTube, Gina, from Gina's Gem Creations. So let's get into this wonderful box from Beada. If you're not familiar with Beada, they are a Toho reseller, and they have wonderful prices, just wonderful prices. You can buy in 20 and 50 grams, and they also have the tubes, but their prices are excellent. The only problem I will say is that they don't always have all the colors, so that is one drawback. And I'm not being sponsored by them or anything for this video. I did want to let you know that part, but they are great. Their prices are wonderful. Okay, so let's get into this package. Okay, so when I buy from them, I try to look at the packages that have the 20 grams first, or the 50, and if they don't have it, then I go to the tubes. So let's see what we have in the 50 gram packages first. Looks like I got a few of those. So I'm going to push some of these things out of the way here. Okay. I also try to go after the finishes that I know will last, and these are the Toho Perma-Finished Galvanized. What we have here is, this one is the permanent Perma-Finished Galvanized Sugar Plum, which is a beautiful color. Bring that up there so you can see it. This one is the, and I'm not going to repeat this each time, but permanent Perma-Finished Galvanized Violet. The green teal. Should I take these out of the bag? Or can you see them? And this is the seafoam. Just really beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. And in the 50 gram bag, and those were all 11-Os, by the way. Those were all 11-Os. And then this one is a 50 gram bag of the 6-Os. And this is the Perma-Finished Galvanized Starlight. It's a beautiful gold. This beautiful gold. And since my husband is doing Kumi, he requires some of the bigger beads. So I basically got those for him. Okay, now
Thank you.
You're welcome. So let's look at the 20 gram bags now. And these will last for quite some time. So I've got some of these colors here, and again, these are 11-Os, and let's see what we have. 20 grams. This one is called Sweet Blush. It has just a hint of blush on it, like a little pink, orangey pink. And this one is mint green. You can see that. And let's see, this one is brick red. Is that focusing? Mm-hmm. And we have gunmetal gray. And then the last package of the 20s, let's see, is this one. And this is Golden Fleece, which is a pretty gold also. There's so many different golds, it's crazy. Okay, so let's get into the tubes. Got quite a few tubes, and the prices are really good on these. Most of the 20-gram bags were $4, and the 50-gram bags were $9, which is a really good deal on Toho's. Okay, so this one is, these are 11-ohs also. This is the perma-finished galvanized orchid. Pretty color. Very pretty color. Let me get. And I did get 2 of those. I tried to get 2 when I could, so there are 2 of those. This is the perma-finished galvanized lilac. And again, I got 2. This is the saffron. I was thinking summer, you know, trying to get some summer colors here. So, 2 of those. This is a very summery color. Sour, this is opaque lustered sour apple. Really pretty color. It's showing up more yellow, but it's actually like a Granny Smith apple. So I got 2 of those. And this one is gold lustered amethyst. This batch is really quite summery, this next batch. This one is Citrus Spritz. That's actually the name, Citrus Spritz. It's not focusing here.
It's focused down on the bottom, so there you go.
Okay. And another very summery color, although the name is more fall. This one is opaque lustered pumpkin.
It's more like an orange. Like an orange or tangerine.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? This one is Ceylon Peach Cobbler. Now I'm getting hungry with these food names. Tried to pick things that kind of went together too.
Do we get ice cream with the peach cobbler?
I don't know. I usually serve it that way. Okay, and this one is Translucent Rainbow Ruby, which looks like raspberry actually. And if you can see the rainbow finish on that, again, it's trying to get it focused here so you can see it. Yeah. All right, and then the last batch here. This tried to like pick colors a little out of the comfort zone. This is opaque lustered dandelion. Very yellow. Come on. Focus, focus. Opaque lustered pale blue. Really pretty baby blue color. And along with that, sort of a baby pink color. This is Ceylon Innocent Pink. Very spring and...
Is there a guilty pink?
Guilty pink. I don't know. And this is a Ceylon banana cream. Pretty pastel yellow color. And this one is opaque rainbow blue turquoise. A little deeper blue. And the last one, which is not doubled, is opaque lustered beige. I want to kind of just see what it looked like. So here we have our Beada haul. Lots of pretty colors. Oh, I'm not sure I talked about this one. Oh, this one. This is these are 8Os, and these are Permafinish Frosted Metallic Polaris, which is like a purpley blue color. So these were for my husband also, for him to use with the kumi. So we got lots and lots of beautiful colors from Beada. It should last us a while. Lots and lots of really pretty stuff here. I recommend that you go there and check them out. They have great prices, nice Toho items. They have some check beads as well, but they specialize in the Toho beads. So check them out. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, please comment, and bead sparkly. Bye-bye.